Hi students, let's start today math class 10th ICSE board. So exercise 11 is going on. From that exercise few more questions I will teach today, then your exercise will be finished. Then after this exercise I will start the equation of straight line. So student, I selected a question number 23. Find the coordinate of vertices of the triangle. How many vertex in the triangle? How many? There are 3 vertex in the triangle there. So find the coordinate of vertices of the triangle. The middle points of the whose sides are 0, half, half, half and half, 0. Middle of the sides given that, but vertex are not given. Vertices we have to find that. There are 3 vertices. So by this figure you can understand. This is A, B, C. There are 3 sides A, B, B, C and AC. Let midpoint of AB be suppose D, and this is suppose E and this is F. This given, what is given that? This given 0, half, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and half, 0. Midpoints are given. What not given that? Vertices of this triangle are not given, A, B, C. So let vertices of this triangle will be x1, y1, this x2, y2, this x3, y3. What you have to find that? Vertices of this triangle. What given? Midpoint of sides given that. Okay? Now, if we see that, what is this? Coordinate of A and B. So what will be midpoint of AB with regarding x1, y1, x2, y2. So midpoint of AB, that means D, what will be? x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. ठीक है? Midpoint sum of abscissa upon 2 plus sum of sum of ordinate upon 2. This is midpoint of AB. That means the D. और D यहाँ दिया हुआ है 0 and half. 0 and half. D given that, what given? 0, half. It means this is equal to 0 and this will be equal to half. This will be equal to 0 and this will be equal to half. Right? Now, so we write letter after this about this. Find midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC, that means E. What is E? E. What will be? Abscissa upon 2. So x2 plus x3 upon 2, y2 plus y3 upon 2. Right? Midpoint of BC is E. To find the midpoint by using these vertices, abscissa upon 2, ordinate upon 2. ठीक है? याद है ना, मिड पॉइंट निकालने के लिए मैं बताया था कि x1, y1, x2, y2, if 2 points are having that, we get a line if join both points. To find a midpoint x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now next, mid point of side AC, that means what is f. To find the f, x1 plus x3 upon 2, x1 plus x3 upon 2, y1 plus y3 upon 2, y1 plus y3 upon 2, right? We found the midpoint of AB, BC and AC. These are the midpoint of three sides. But midpoint already given the question. It means AB is midpoint of AB is D, that is 0.5. So this is equal to D. So 0.5 will be equal to this point. E half. E, where is that founded? This equal to half, and this will be equal to half and 0, because these are also same midpoint. So midpoint will be not different. So we can write this equal to that, this equal to this, and that equal to this, right? What we have to find? We have to find that x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Yes. So I am going to I am going to rub this because already concept I made the clear. So hope that concept is clear. Once again, D, what is the midpoint of which AB, and D, what is that midpoint of which AB. So it means this midpoint equal to this midpoint. Similarly, this will be equal to this, and this will be equal to that, right? So let me remove that. Now so by using that midpoint, now see, I drawn the figure here. D equal to this D, E is equal to this E, and F is equal to that F. So let write. We can write 0, half equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. It means that this is equal to 0, and this is equal to half, and this is equal to 0. Now x1 plus x2 upon 2, what will be equal to 0? This will be transpose. Transpose this 2 will be 0. So we found here what we found at x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. This is number 1 equation. Now y1 plus y2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to what? Half. 2 cancel here, 2 cancel. So that will be y1 plus y2 is equal to 1. This is number 2. This 2 will be cancel. Now after this, having the less space, so now come for E. For E, half, half equal to, for E, where is E? Here. x2 plus x3, x2 plus x3 upon 2, y2 plus y3 upon 2, right? This is equal to half, this is equal to half. So x2 plus x3 upon 2 is equal to 2, cancel. So we can write x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. This is third equation. This is third equation. Now again compare y1 plus y3 upon 2 is equal to half, cancel. That will be y1 plus y3 is equal to 1. This is fourth equation. right? Now what is remaining? Remaining here f and this f. So make the space here. Let me remove this thing. F remaining. Okay. Now for f, half comma 0 will be equal to x1 plus x3 upon 2 y1 plus y3 upon 2. x1 plus, here some missing, that y2 should be here then. Here y2, student, here please see that y2 plus y3 upon 2 is equal to half. So y2 plus y3 upon 2 is equal to half. To cancel that, y2 plus y3, here should be y2 plus y3, x2 plus x3, right? Half is equal to this and 0 is equal to this. So let's write x1 plus x3 upon 2 is equal to 2. Cancel. What came? Came x1 plus x3 is equal to 1. This is equation number 5. इसको पांचवा मान लीजिए. Now this 0 is equal to y1 plus y3 upon 2 is equal to 0. This will be 0. So can be written y1 plus y3 is equal to 0. This is 6. Right? Now let me remove this also. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 equations. These were the related to x term, that. So we have to add this x term, that. Adding which first, then third and fifth. फर्स्ट, थर्ड एंड फिफ्थ सबको ऐड कर रहे हैं. इफ विल ऐड, यू विल फाइंड एट x1 2 times coming, x2 2 times coming, x3 2 times coming. That so it will be 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3, right? So if you add, that will come that 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 equal to 0 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 2. नहीं समझ में आया? दिस इज हम ऐड कर रहे हैं सबको, फर्स्ट को, थर्ड को और फिफ्थ को. तो x1 प्लस लेफ्ट साइड में x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 प्लस x1 प्लस x3, तो ये दो बार आएगा 2 times. तो 2x1 प्लस 2x2 प्लस 2x3 इज इक्वल टू, अब राइट साइड वाला देखिए 0, इधर कितना है 1 है, हियर हाउ मच 1 है, तो 0 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 दैट विल बी 2. तो हमने लिख दिया है 2. 2 टेकन द कॉमन, सो व्हाट विल बी हियर x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 इज इक्वल टू 2. दिस 2 विल बी कैंसिल, विल गो डाउन, विल बी कैंसिल दैट. सो कैन बी रिटर्न दैट. अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है इसको नीचे भेजो, कैंसिल, व्हाट विल बी हियर रिजल्ट 1, यहाँ होगा 1, राइट. दिस इज सपोज 7, इसको हम 7 कंसिडर कर लिए. नाउ लेट मी रिमूव this x term from here, this also, then yes, yeah. Now adding which second, fourth and sixth, second, fourth and 6. What will get that? Same process we have to apply that. If we will add y1 plus y2 plus y2 plus y3 plus y1 plus y3, so you will find that 2 times y1 you'll find that 2 times y2, you'll find that 2 times of y3. ठीक, so here will be write that 2y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3, that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 0, 2 taken the common, remove this now, 2 taken the common, 2 taken the common, so y1 plus y2 plus y3, that is equal to 2, and this again will go down, so will be 2 upon 2, so will be cancel, what will be here, 1. So this is equation 8. Yes, let me write that missing thing there because I rubbed. So student, see all the equations related of for AB, for BC and for AC written here that together, so we can use, that is needed. Now this also having there, so let me remove. How this came already I taught that by using the midpoint section formula to find the midpoint. Now there are total 8 equations that we have to find that x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Let's see that this is x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1 and this is x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. So subtract first from 8, first equation from 8. So 8, what is that, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1 and first x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. What did, subtract first from 7, subtract first from 7, subtracting first from 7 that if you subtract minus cancel, what remaining, x3 is equal to 1 minus 0, that is the 1, x3 came that 1. Now if x3 came 1, so put this x3 where, in the third, substitute x3 in third, from third, इस x3 को हम थर्ड में रखेंगे, कितना आया 1, तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 1, तो x2 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 1, ट्रांसपोज दिस 1, so x2 is equal to 1 minus 1, x2 will be equal to 0. So we found that x3, x2. Now x1 is remaining, x2 0 coming, put this x2 here in the first, to substitute from first, x2, student, little lengthy this question, don't worry, go through step by step, will be clear that x2 0, what will be here, x1, so from first x1 plus 0 is equal to 0, we found that x1 is equal to 0. तो हमको क्या मिल चुका है, x3, x2 and x1, this we got that. So let me remove this thing there and write there x1 came 0, then x2 came 0, then x3 came 1. Okay, similarly you have to follow for the y, इसी तरह y के लिए भी करना है. Now for the y, remove this, y1 y2 y3, y1 y2 is equal to 1, so subtract second from the 8, so if you subtract y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 1, second y1 plus y2 is equal to 1, y1 plus y2 is equal to 1, minus 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 cancel. What remaining? y3 is equal to 0, because 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So one value we got, that y3. Okay, if y3 we got, put y3 in the fourth, we can find that y2. So from fourth, y2 plus y3 is equal to 1. y2 plus y3, putting the 0 here, is equal to 1. r y2 is equal to 0. We found that y3 0, y2 0, right? Now what remaining? That your remaining y1. So y1, because y3 came the 0, y3 came the 0. Where is the missing? That all is the 0 coming there. y3, y1 0, y3 0 and y2 0. If y3 coming 0, so how different coming there? Let me see 1 minute that. Yes, student, due to one silly mistake, so result was not coming that. What was the here? y2 plus 0 is equal to 1. y2 is equal to 0 written that. Is it possible? y2 plus 0 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 1. Oh, so I was surprised that why all the values are coming 0. Now, from the many equation, either this or this, you will find that y1 is y3 is equal to came, y2 came, y1 we have to find that. So y3 will putting 0 here, ठीक है, तो y1 आपका भी 0 आ जाएगा. तो फ्रॉम 6 या किसी भी इक्वेशन से, इसके भी देख चेक कर लीजिए, सेकंड से कितना आ रहा है y1. यदि y2 हम पुट कर रहे हैं 1 यहाँ पर, ठीक, y2 1, so 1 will be transposed there, 1 minus 1 0, it means y1 is equal to 0. ठीक है, हमको जो है पिछले फॉल्ट की वजह से यहाँ का वैल्यू और यहाँ का वैल्यू कंपेयर कर रहे थे, डिफरेंट आ रहा था. सो आई वॉज कन्फ्यूज अबाउट दैट, वेयर इज द बीइंग मिस्टेक दैट. सो मिस्टेक आई फाउंड दैट y2 is equal to 1 here that. Now student, what you have to find? y1. अब y1 बच गया जो है, तो चाहिए रख दीजिए. y2 y3 कितना है? y2 1 एंड y3 0, 1 उधर जाएगा, क्या होगा आपका? 0 आ जाएगा. सो फ्रॉम एनी ईयर, नो प्रॉब्लम दैट. फ्रॉम किसी से ले लीजिए, सेकंड टाइम ले लें. फ्रॉम सेकंड y1 प्लस y2 1 इज इक्वल टू 1, y1 इज इक्वल टू 0, बिकॉज इट ट्रांसपोज 1, so 1 minus 1 that is equal to 0. So we found y1 is equal to 0, y2 is equal to 1 and y3 is equal to 0. Yes. Now write the coordinates. A, that is 0 0, x1 y1. B, that is 0 comma 1, and C, that is 1 comma 0. I think that this is the result. 0 0 0 1 1 comma 0. Little lengthy, but keep patience and do this type of the question. Okay student, take next question. This is the question number 24. This question is little different, so I selected to solve here. So by section formula. See, if it is not given condition section formula, so you can solve it by distance formula also. This is the line E, coordinate 3 comma minus 2. This is the B, anywhere, suppose that B, what is coordinate of B? 5 2, and C, what is coordinate? 8 8. We have to prove that these points A, B, C are on the same line. If condition not given by section formula, so you can apply the distance formula. How? Find the distance of AB by distance formula BC and AC. क्या निकालना है? by distance formula AB, then BC and then AC. Then check it, if AC equal to AB plus BC, then you can say that these are collinear, means that these points are on the same line. But here especially we have to use the section formula, then we have to prove. So we can't use here distance formula, otherwise no mark will be given by the board rate. So let B the point, B lies on same line. This point divide the line in the ratio. Let this divide the ratio M ratio N. Right? This point B divide the line in the ratio M ratio N. ठीक है, हमको शो करना है कि by using this point that, by using this point that, तो ये तो ऑलरेडी आपको है, चलिए ठीक है, क्योंकि हम यूज करेंगे सेक्शन फार्मूला. इसको भी दिखाना है कि इस पर है. बाय सेक्शन फार्मूला 5 इजिकल टू m इंटू 8 n इंटू 3 अपॉन m प्लस n. ठीक है, 5 इजिकल टू m इंटू 8, दैट मीन्स 8m. What will be 8m plus n into 3 upon what is m plus n, right? This 5 is equal to. Now if we simplify, find that m and n ratio, m ratio n. So by using that ratio, अच्छा इसके लिए क्या होगा? For this 2 is equal to my2, it means 8m plus ny1, that is here minus, so this will be minus 2n upon m plus n. Nothing new, all are old thing that section formula have to use here. B को हमें दिखाना है किस लाइन पर लाइज करता है. ठीक, हमने मान लिया कि B डिवाइड दिस लाइन इन द रेशियो m रेशियो n. तो बाय सेक्शन फार्मूला वी फाउंड दैट, चूँकि यह पॉइंट है 5 2, जैसे x y होता है तो x के स्थान पर ये होता है, y के स्थान पर ये होता है, तो x के स्थान पर 5 रिटर्न एंड y वैल्यू 2 रिटर्न. राइट, फर्स्ट आई विल टेक दैट दिस. हम इसको चेक करेंगे कि m रेशियो n बाय यूजिंग दिस व्हाट इज कमिंग दैट, या इसको लेकर के चलेंगे m रेशियो n व्हाट इज कमिंग दैट. या सो here cross multiply is equal to 8m plus 3n, open the bracket, 5m plus 5n is equal to 8m plus 3n. Yes, now transpose that 5m minus 8m is equal to 3n minus 5n. Subtract 5 minus 8, what will be? Minus 3m. 3 minus 5 minus 2n, minus minus cancel, we can say m upon n is equal to 2 upon 3. This minus minus cancel, m upon n is equal to 2 upon 3. By using this mn, we have to put here. If result is coming 2, it means this is lies on the line AC. B also lies on this line that. हम mn का वैल्यू 2 upon 3 लेकर के इसमें पुट करेंगे. इफ रिजल्ट इज कमिंग 2, इट मीन दैट दिस लाइज ऑन द AC. राइट, या ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे जैसे ऐसे इधर किया हूँ. बाय ट्रांसपोजिंग क्या निकाल लेंगे? m रेशियो n. अगर इससे भी m रेशियो n आ रहा 2 upon 3, सो आल्सो वी कैन से दिस लाइन लाइज ऑन द सेम लाइन. नाउ चेक इट. m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. So by RHS if you see, so 2 8 into 2 minus 2 into 3 upon 2 plus 3, that will be equal to 16 minus 6 upon 5. 16 minus 6 mean that 10 upon 5, that is equal to 2. This mn we found out by this and using this result came to, it means that this both values x का y का किस पर लाइज करता है, इस लाइन पर. So we can say A, B, C are the collinear, right? Now next question after this. Now students, see question number 26, that the midpoint of the line segment AB shown in the diagram, this is the diagram, is 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3? This is the midpoint of AB. AB is a line which intersect on x-axis and y-axis. This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. Write down the coordinates of A and B. क्या लिखना है? केवल कोऑर्डिनेट लिखना है. किसका? A और B का. We have to write only coordinate of A and B. Yes, we have to write the coordinate of A and B. So because this is the on x-axis, which value will be 0 on x-axis? Means x-axis पर किसका वैल्यू 0 होगा? Y value will be 0 and here x value will be 0. For x-axis y value 0 होगा और for y-axis x value 0 होगा. ठीक है? Now what can be considered coordinate here of A? A. This is A. Let this is A 0. क्यों? x 0 नहीं होगा, y 0 होगा. But here x will be 0 but y will be not 0. So let this coordinate be 0 comma B. We taken the coordinate of A 0 and B 0 comma B. Midpoint given 4 minus 3. So by using this midpoint, we have to find the value of A and value of B. As you know that if this is A, this is the B, this is x1, y1, x2, y2 and C is the midpoint AB. So what will be? A is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, B is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2, right? So same process we have to apply. In the place of AB, what is given? That 4 minus 3. And here x1, y1, x2, y2. Clear? So 4 is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and minus 3 is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 3. So by this way we can find the value of A and B. So let's see. 4 is equal to, suppose this is x1, this is x2, y1, y2. 4 is equal to A plus 0 upon 2. Sum of abscissa upon 2. 2 will be there. 2 4 is 8. So can write that A is equal to 8. A value came 8. Clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? 4 is equal to sum of abscissa upon 2. x1 plus x2 upon 2 is equal to 4. This 4 minus 3 is given in the question. Similarly, if you are taking for y minus 3, y1 plus y2 upon 2, it means the 0 plus b upon 2, transpose this. So we will find that b is equal to minus 6. So we found that two value, a value and b value. But asking write what? Coordinates. If you write this much, no mark will be. Means few mark will be. Get that? Mark minus होगा आपका. Final आपका result पूछ रहा है coordinate लिखना है. So don't forget about the coordinate. So answer में a coordinate will be a comma 0. That means the 8 comma 0. And second b में आपका 0 comma b है. तो 0 comma b value minus 6. A comma 8 0 and b comma 0 minus 6. So this is the answer, proper answer. This is the method to write the proper answer. If you leave up to here that, so mark will be reduced from your total mark that. So this is the method. One more question after this. Take this question, solve. Yes, student, question number 28 of that exercise. Very good question. This is related to the centroid. Yeah. Two vertices of a triangle are 3 minus 5 and 7 minus 7 4. Two vertices given that. How many vertices in a triangle that? There are 3 vertices, but 2 given, 1 is unknown that. Find the third vertex. तीसरा हमें निकालना है. Given that the centroid is 2 minus 1 with the help of the centroid. Centroid already given that. So one formula I taught for the centroid, as you know, you can remember about this. This was that triangle A, B and C. What was coordinate? X1, Y1, X2, Y2 and X3, Y3. This is the point. Centroid what is? This is the point at which medians of the triangle intersected. So this point is the centroid. So as you know, this point, coordinate of this point what will be? X1 plus X2 plus X3 upon 3 and Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 upon 3. This is the coordinate of the centroid. This centroid. This is the centroid. Centroid given 2 minus 1. It means this equal to 2 and this equal to minus 1. Right? But according to this question, if we will go through, we will find that 3 minus 5, 1, given that second vertex given minus 7, 4 that. So, if suppose this is the x1, y1 means that 3 comma minus 5 and this is minus 7 comma 4. Third, let this is xy. तीसरे को हम क्या मान लेते हैं? एक्स वाई. लेट थर्ड वर्टेक्स बी एक्स कामा वाई. 2 already given. 3 minus 5 minus 7 4. And what is given there? Centroid given. What is centroid given? 2 minus 1 is centroid given. So by using this centroid, by this formula, we have to find that this unknown vertex. Right? Now, what will be centroid according to this part? What is this? That G will be here 3 plus 7 minus 7 sorry plus x upon 3. So 3 minus 7 plus x upon 3. How? x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Now second y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole upon 3. That will be minus 5 plus 4 plus y whole upon 3. This is the centroid. This is centroid. And what is this? 2 minus 1. That is also centroid. So both are same. So we can say this equal to that. So can write here, remove this. Can be written is equal to 2 minus 1. This is equal to 2 and this is equal to minus 1. So write here 3 minus 7 what will be? Okay, 3 minus 7 plus x upon 3 is equal to 2. Solve it. 3 minus 7 minus 4 plus x transpose this is equal to what? 6. 3 minus 4 that is minus 4. 3 minus 7 that is minus 4 plus x upon 3 नहीं है, कहाँ गया? ट्रांसपोज हो गया. 3 2 जा 6 हो गया. 4 also have to transpose that. So x is equal to 6 plus 4. So we found x is equal to 10. Yes. Now what you have to find that? We have to find y. This is equal to now minus 1. So minus 5 plus 4 plus y upon 3 is equal to minus 1. Clear? Transpose this 3. Minus 5 plus 4 minus 1. So minus 1 plus y is equal to minus 3. How minus 3 came? This 3 transpose. So 3 into minus 1 that is minus 3. Minus 1 how came? Minus 5 plus 4 that is minus 1. So minus 1 plus y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to what will be? Minus 3 plus what? 1. This minus 1 will transpose right side will be plus 1. So y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. Tell me, up to here correct? This is correct? No. Why not correct? Because asking the third vertex. Third vertex in the point. What was the third vertex? xy. So C was the third vertex. So let answer is equal to x is equal to 10, y is equal to minus 2. you have to write that this way. This is the correct result. यही इतना आप अगर नहीं लिखते, this much if you will not write that, so board will reduce the 1 mark from your total mark that. ठीक है, इतना ध्यान दीजिए कि what is the in question given that, what demanding the by the question that, क्वेश्चन में क्या डिमांड किया जा रहा है उसके थ्रू आप जाइए जो है आंसर लिखना है. अगर कह रहा वर्टेक्स निकालिए, कोऑर्डिनेट निकालिए, तो आपको इन कोऑर्डिनेट फॉर्म यू टू राइट दिस, you have to not live in this form, that is not correct that, right? So student, I want to announce about the exercise 11 that completed. Next, from next day I will start equation of straight line. So do more practice on the basis of this type of question, so you can understand more that. Thanks all of you.